Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss about the car accident. What should you do if you get injured in an accident and in a car accident? So here are some steps. Let's discuss these steps in this video. What should I do after a car accident? Step to take after a car accident. So it does not matter whether you live in the Las, we're visiting the Las for a concert or sporting event, or we're just traveling through the Las when an accident occurred. The Las injury lawyer at Thompson Law can help. If you were severely injured in your accident, you should immediately seek medical assistance for your injuries. Once your condition is stable, you should contact the experienced last car accident lawyer at Thompson Law to file a claim against a negligent driver. So, however, if you are physically capable of moving and standing after the car crash, then you should be sure to take the following step. Number one step is stop and move to safety. Regardless of the severity of the collision, you must stop to prevent being seated for a hit and run accident per Texas Transportation Code 550.022. Also, if you are able, move to a safe location of the roadway to avoid being the victim of a secondary collision. You may also want to put on your hazard lights to signal other driver that an accident has occurred. And the number two step is dial 911. Calling 911 is an emergency such as a car accident while alert the Dallas Police Department and EMS to work on ensuring your safety, creating a crash report, and contacting an ambulance if needed. And the number three step is provide an honest statement. Your statement to the police should describe how you believe the accident happened. But to do not apologize for the accident as it can be constructed as an admission of fault. So even when you are saying it in politeness, never comment on how you feel physical or allow an insurance adjuster to record your statement. Do not comment on social media about your accident as insurance companies can use it against you later. Our Delaskar accident lawyer will obtain your Delaskar report and work to establish liability with the insurance companies based off the report and other evidence. And the number four step is collect info and take pictures of everything as this early post accident information will serve as the basis for your injury claim. You should take photos of every vehicle involved in the collision to show property damage and establish a basis for the mechanism of injury due to the force of the collision. When collecting data from the other drivers, driver licenses, insurance card, license plates, vehicle identification number VIN, be sure to take photos in addition to writing the information down so you can ensure accuracy of the data. So number five step is scan for evidence. Look to see if anyone witnessed or captured the accident, for example with a dash camera or cameras at nearby businesses. So number six step is seek medical treatment. Getting medical treatment after an accident is important both for ensuring your physical health and to establish a causal relationship between your injuries and the accident. Document everything. Personal injury claim can take time to resolve, so it is crucial to document your injuries in photos even before they heal. For example, bruising, laceration, abrasion, scarring. You may have missed work. So it is important to document lost wages. Often property other than the vehicle itself is damaged in accident. For example, laptop, computer, mobile phones. So document that damage and retain any repair receipt. And the number eight step is call our Delaskar accident lawyer. You can call the lawyer and get the free consultation about the accident. So insurance claim involving and personal injury attorney have been shown to result in up to a 3x increase in compensation to victim of car accident versus claim handled independently by an individual. Our Delaskar accident lawyer have a strong track record of providing excellent result for your client, and we stand ready to assist with your claim. So remember, it is a job of insurance adjuster to reduce insurance claim payouts. They have no interest in you getting you full and fair compensation. Thus, never sign any release, authorization, and anything for the insurance company for the party at fault. If you were hurt in a wreck, call us today and get free consultation. So life cycle of a car accident claim, it is a life cycle. So let's see the cycle. The personal injury claim process. If you so in this topic we will see the injury claim process. If you have never been involved in a car accident before, you may be wondering what is the process for making a personal injury claim. There are many factors that impact the process itself, and question like what is my auto accident claim worth. So the graphic below will provide you with a general understanding of the life cycle of a car accident claim. Once you take the first step on your roads to recovery and call our firm, our last car accident lawyer at Thompson Law can answer any other specific question. So it is a cycle. So call the police. So pursue medical care, seek legal advice, open a claim, investigation into the case, continue medical care, and the number 7 step is submit a demand, and the number 8 step is negotiate the settlement, and the number 9 step is finalization of case, and the number 10 step is closing day. So what compensation can I receive for a car wreck? So let's see. Texas laws related to car accident recognize the right of an accident victim to obtain full compensation for the damages they incur in an accident caused by the negligence of another driver. The form of financial compensation accident victim may seek under Texas law are legally referred to as damages. These damages in civil claim fall into two broad categories: special damages and general damages. What are special damages in injury claims? Special damages are commonly referred to as economic damages, since they are payments made by the at fault party in a motor vehicle collision to cover the accident victim monetary losses from the crash. And common example of special damage in injury claims include medical bills such as doctor visit, physical therapy, chiropractic care, and prescription medication, medical devices, pain management, surgical procedure, or life care cost. And the second step is lost income or wages, and the number 3 step is vehicular property damage, and the number 4 step is damage to other personal property. So number 5 step is replacement services such as home cleaning or law maintenance. And special damages are usually easy to calculate since they involve a specific monetary loss to the accident victim. Our last car accident lawyer will obtain medical bills, invoices, and other financial document to calculate the economic damage you are on. So what are general damages in injury claims? General damages are less easily quantifiable since they do not involve a set monetary loss from an accident. Rather, general damages are intended to compensate for non-monetary real losses such as physical, mental, and emotional pain, suffering. Second step is decreased enjoyment of life, disability, impairment, or disfigurement. And the number fourth step is in wrongful death claims, loss of consortium, companionship, and society in case of extreme recklessness such as drunk driving, and punitive damage may be available. So these all are about general damages in injury claims. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.